So guys, here you see it, one more anime game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving one more amazing question. What type of question? Let me tell you. In today's video, we are solving our question number 638 by the name of shopping offers. In the previous video, we solved our question number 637. In today's video, we are solving our 638 question in Python 3. And this question codes are little bit bigger, okay? And the medium in question which we are solving, and in today's question there are total 6 topics are included: array, dynamic programming, backtracking, bit manipulation, memoization, and bit marks. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video, and this question is based on these 6 topics which I named already. Okay, so now let's try to solve today's question. But first of all, let me tell you how many people have submitted it. Total 1,40,000 people have submitted it, and only 73,000 have been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 52.0%. So now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So now let's start. But first of all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, because then I will be motivated and then I will be upload more videos for you and amazing content also. So now without wasting any time, let's move to the computer screen. And without wasting any time, let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. Now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So now first of all we start to read the question line by line. What is the question is trying to say us, then will we start to solve it in the LeetCode Camp website. So now let's start. In LeetCode store there are n items to sell. Each item has a price. However, there are some special offers, and the special offers consist of one or more different kinds of items with a sale price. Okay, I hope you understand. It's just looking like a reading comprehension. Okay, it has given me an integer array by the name of price, where price bracket I is the price of the ith item, and an integer array needs where needs bracket I is the number of pieces of the ith item you want to buy. You are also given an array special, where special bracket I is a size is of size n plus 1, where special bracket I bracket j is the number of pieces of the jth item in the ith offer, and special bracket I is bracket n. For example, the last integer in the array is the price of the ith offer. What is the task in today's solving video? We want to return the lowest price you have to pay for exactly certain times items as given, where you could make optimal use of the special offers. You are not allowed to buy more items than you want, even if that will lower the overall price. You could use any of the special offers as many items as you want. Example 1. Now let's move toward under examples, because we have understand the question and we have also read the question. So please highlight it down the whole question. Example 1. Here he created one integer array by the name of price, in which he wrote in down two numbers 2 and 5. There he created a second integer array by the name of special, in which he wrote in down 3, 0, 5 in the second bracket, 1, 2 and 10. Now the third integer array by the name of needs, in which here he wrote in down two numbers 3 and 2. Output becoming 14. Why? Because there are the two kinds of items, A and B. Their prices are $2 and $5 respectively. In special offer 1, you can pay $5 for 3A and 0B. Number 2, in special offer 2, you can pay $10 for 1A and 2B. You need to buy 3A and 2B, so you may pay $10 for 1A and 2B. Special offer hashtag 2 and $4 for 2A. Now, I hope you understand the first example. Highlighted down it. Now let's move to the second example. Here he created a one more same thing, input. Here you can see it, price, integer, array, special and need, but there are the numbers are different. Please see this all the things, this price, special, and needs numbers. Now here you can see it, the output I'm coming 11. Why? Because the price of A is $2 if you see in the input section, and $3 for B, and $4 for C. You may pay $4 for 1A and 1B, and $9 for 2A and 2B and 1C. So you need to buy 1A, 2B and 1C. So you may pay $4 for 1A and 1B. Special offer hashtag 1 and $3 for 1B, $4 for 1C. So you cannot add more items without only $9 for 2A, 2B and 1C. So that's why this type of output has been coming. And they are some of the constraints it has been given you. Please see this all the constraints, but it has also be help you to solve today's question. Okay, but now I hope you understand the question. If you do not understand the question, rewind the video and see video one more time from the starting. If you do not understand the question, what the question is trying to say us. So now let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode camp website in the Python 3. And this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in today's question there are the 6 topics are included: array, dynamic programming, backtracking, bit manipulation, memoization and bookmarks. So now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3 anyways. So we are solving this question in Python 3. So first of all we define a class of a solution, def init, and then we define here self semicolon self dot memo equals to then curly brackets. When we do this all the things, you only want to do it right. Define here one more time, define here def shopping and then offers, and then define here self comma price semicolon list, and then int comma special semicolon, one more time define list, and then define here int, and then define here comma needs, and then list int. And you are thinking why I'm writing in the list, I'm writing these needs and these all the things because these are the integer arrays, so that's why. Okay, so now let's do this all the things. Okay, perfect. Now when we do this all the things, you only want to do it define key equals to str, means we have converting into the integer, if statement key in self dot memo, and then we return self dot memo, then in with the bracket we define key. Perfect. Now when we do this all the thing, we define here, give the space here, define best price equal to sum of no item, then star cost for loop no item, and then comma cost in zip. Okay, cost I am saying by the mistake, needs comma price. Perfect. Now when we do this all the thing, we only want to do it, define here one more time, define this for offer in special. Perfect. Define here needs update equals to no items minus offer, and then I define here for loop in the square bracket. Okay, not outside the square bracket, no items in enumerate, and then needs. Perfect. Okay, needs there as will be also become. Okay, so now you only want to do it, remove these all the things. Okay, come on it here, zoom and just see the question. Okay, so now understand all the question. Okay, revise now, then we will run it. Okay, so let's run it. So now let's see. So when I run this question, so the running code is accepted or not. So it has been accepted. So I can see the last thing to submit this code. So when I submit this code, submission, let's see, the submission is also be accepted, and I beat 20% people only, so it is very bad. But anyways, it is big achievement. We solved this question. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan, see my all the videos on my channel. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And please don't forget to access my playlist also. So now let me do the next video. So for today, goodbye.